Hey, this is Charles from Become the Authority, and today I want to go over how one small funding offer, it was just $3,000, helped a local home service business generate over $20,000 in new book jobs. I partnered with Closer Capital, a company that helps businesses like yours unlock fast, flexible funding without jumping through all of the crazy bank hoops. And this story is a perfect example of how funding isn't about survival, it's about leverage. So here's what happened. I had a contractor that I was working with. He had everything. We built out solid systems, he had great reviews, and he had a really good team. But they were stuck in that sort of weird place where they wanted to grow, but they didn't want to drain their bank account just to run ads or upgrade their automations and back end. They were doing well, but their cash was tied up, right? In jobs, supplies, payroll, etc. And that's where the opportunity came in. Through Closer Capital, they were able to access some short-term funding of about $3,000 based on their monthly revenue. No collateral, no insane process, just proof they were making money and that they could put those funds to work. Now, this is where things get good. I advise them to use the 3K for two very specific things. One was a targeted Facebook ad campaign built around one clear service offer. And the next was a stronger back-end automation system to follow up with all of those leads that come in instantly, whether it's text, email, voicemail drops, and everything in between. Now, the ad started generating leads consistently within 48 hours. And then the automations we built on the back end made sure every lead was contacted right away, even when the owner was out in the field. And within a week, they started getting estimates booked. Within 2 weeks, the first jobs closed. And within 30 days, they had over $20,000 in additional revenue from a $3,000 initial investment. And that's the power of funding done right. It multiplies opportunity. So look, most small businesses don't need a massive $100,000 line of credit. They just need access to maybe $5K or up to $25K to just do the things that they already know will help them grow. And that could be things like launching a campaign, maybe hiring a crew member, or upgrading some old equipment so that you're in the 2025s and not in the 1900s. Streamlining the operations by building out better systems and putting some SOPs in place, or fixing the follow-up gap that was stopping leads from being able to contact with you. And ultimately, that's why I decided to partner with Closer Capital, because they fund based on your actual revenue. That's the beauty of this. So you're not waiting on the bank, and there's no perfect credit score required in order for you to get qualified. So if you are interested in qualifying, at the least you need to have 10K per month in revenue, 6 months in business, and a business bank account that's active and ready to go. So if you're in that place where you're ready to grow, but cash flow is holding you back, you don't need to stay stuck. You just need the right partner who can help you get moving. And if you want to explore what kind of funding you could access through Closer Capital, I want you to click the link that I'm going to have down in the description, and they will walk you through what's possible based on your numbers and how to put that money to work quickly. Right? So it's no pressure, it's just options. Go ahead and click the link, see what Closer Capital can do for you and your business, and we'll see you on the next one.